Are you planning on trekking or hiking? Here are some basic trekking gear you'll need. Clothing. Depending on the conditions of the trek, but as a rule wear light, weather-resistant, rugged wear. Hiking boots. Hiking boots with aggressive treads patterns, to make hiking on difficult surfaces a lot easier. Weather gear. Depending on the weather, you may need to take along extra gear, like raincoat or poncho, sunblock, sunglasses. Backpack or daypack necessities. You need a backpack for your water bottles and foods. First aid kits. You should include ointment, against allergic rashes. There are multiple health benefits in hiking and trekking. As far as health benefits, the list may go on, consisting of several mental and physical health benefits. You gain benefits such as losing excess pounds, preventing heart disease and decreasing hypertension or high blood pressure. Here are even more health benefits from hiking or trekking. Improving and maintaining mental health. Slowing the aging process. Relieving back pain. Preventing osteoporosis. Preventing and controlling diabetes. To sum it up, hiking has many health benefits. The beauty of it doesn't cost you much to enjoy this activity. Moreover, when hiking, you can take other family members with you. Even your young children can come along with you without much difficulty. For young children, hiking helps improve their physical stamina and team-building skills.